Euro against US dollar. This week has started the week with this bullish candle, and this was a bullish breakout trying to make a bullish move above 1.05825. But then the price has formed this indecision candle. It is a bullish pin bar suggesting further rise in value. So these two candles was indication of the further rise in value. So I was expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, but we can see that the next day the price has returned back down, forming this bearish candle. After that, on Thursday, the price formed a bearish breakout, and then the price continued to fall down to 1.03920. Now we can see this bearish breakout has been formed here on the daily time frame, and this is something that I have shared inside the premium service with my traders, where this bearish breakout was indication of the further decline in the value. So I was trading this one, and I have shared this inside the group with the traders. So this was a trigger for me that the price will continue to fall in value, and this is something that the price has just done. Now if you take a look on the weekly time frame, we can see that this is another bearish week, which was expected. In the previous week analysis, I mentioned that after this bearish breakout has been formed, there is potentially that the price could retrace back up and then fall down. This is something that has just happened. And then the price is bouncing from this area of demand zone. We can see that here from the support and then return back down. So the price is currently at 1.03920 as support level. Monthly time frame currently shows me also a pretty strong bearish candle, which has started from 1.09 and it is currently around 1.04. So it is pretty strong, a bearish momentum that has triggered the sell-off inside the market, and this is something I was expecting that the price will go all the way during each week after making the analysis. Now, what is expected to do with this monthly time frame? Well, I'm currently expecting that the price will try to bounce and also stay above this one, because it is strong support on the monthly time frame, and we have around one more week until this month closes. So if it stays above, this will be information for the euro against US dollar that the price has found some kind of strong support, and also these sellers that have put the price down, they will exit their trades just to lock the profits. The weekly time frame currently shows me it is a bounce, and also I'm expecting that the price will stay for a while, at least next week, unless we see on the daily time frame a bearish breakout going even further down. Now the daily currently shows me also that the price has reached this demand zone and retraced back up, which means that this is a strong demand zone, a support level for the price that is currently holding the price from falling even further down. Now if the price managed to make a bearish breakout, it will go all the way to 1.02669, which is the next support level on the daily time frame. Will that happen, or will the price bounce and return back up, going above 1.05087? This is something that I will watch on the daily basis, and also inside the premium service with the traders. I will also again share with them information when the breakout happens and also what is the next target. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.